excited about Israel Independence Day, which we're going to celebrate. So, since we're not going to be together, we thought it might be fun and festive to put some decorations up around the house in addition to maybe the flag that you're making. So what we need today, mommies and daddies, is a piece of paper, could be construction paper or just copier paper, which we're going to fold in half. Zip. You learn the concept of half and open it up. We're also going to need a hole punch, or you can use scissors if you don't have one, and some tape and maybe some string. So, since Israel's flag is blue and white, we're going to go with a blue and white theme. I'm going to put just a little dab of paint on the paper to make it interesting. And then we're going to use some fine motor skills. We're going to close it and use our hands to press and pat and spread the paint. So this does get a little messy. I put some cardboard underneath it, but if you use less paint, it probably won't spill out. But the idea of pressing and using our fingers is important. We're individuating. So moms and dad, this is not only fun, but this really is good for strengthening those hand muscles that we'll need for when we start writing. Okay, I'm going to open it up. This is also a nice kind of reveal. You're going to open it up and, oh, I wonder what it's going to look like. You can ask your child, what does it look like? Oh, mine's going to look like a butterfly, I think. What do you guys think? Ooh, okay. So we're going to need to stop and wait to see it dry, and then we'll continue in a few minutes. Hi, I'm back. So my paper has dried, and as you can see, I attached it to another piece of paper. I chose blue because of blue and white for Israel. You can tape it on the other paper, or if mom and dad have a stapler, then you can staple it. And then I'm going to make a circle. This might be a place where mom might need to help you, but that's easy. So you can staple it together or you can tape it together. Okay, so I attached the paper end to end, so I have a nice little cylinder. You can see the circle shape. And I put 2 holes on each side. Again, if you don't have a hole punch, no problem. Just ask mom or dad or somebody, a grown-up, to help you make a little hole. And I threaded a string through it, and I'm going to tie it up. Oops, give me a minute here. And it needs one more thing to be an Israel Independence Day windsock. Okay, so I already cut some paper, and I have some tape on it, so I'm just going to attach them to the bottom. You can use ribbon, you can use crepe paper, you can use just about anything you find around the house that's stringy. Maybe something from a gift you got, some wrapping paper. Oops, that one came off. And voila, you have an Israel Independence Day windsock. And if it's a windy day and you hang it outside, it'll blow in the wind. Make your house happy for Israel Independence Day. Bye.